All the national heroes right here. Oh, you remember that little stall, yeah? Hi! What's up? You too!
That is barista where you can buy a June plum and all these things. All about it.
Hey, when pass the rum, give him a drink, you know,
Yeah. I don't understand. Scooby, you just used to the country life, though.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. So from here, so to here, remember in the east when they come on to our dog, you know?
Exactly.
No, sir. You know how long the game you play, that's why I play them game, yeah? You know how long the... Cuties, newbies, welcome back to another vlog. This is just random. I have nothing planned for today. But just there, set my video them for upload and thing. Now I'm finally finished. And like, let me take up the cameras and say hi to my peeps. Because ain't nothing going on. It's raining from morning. It's Monday. And it's raining and it's my last week here. I'm leaving this weekend. And the rain won't allow me to be great. It won't allow me to do some things. I don't know what to do in the rain, yeah. Nothing. Scoop your chest and wash plate. I said the man love bending back. You're going to show them, yo. You're going to show them. Don't show them? I wash plate pan ground. We never see this before. And mind you, we have 2 kitchens. As a matter of fact, we have 3. Just that we can't use one. One day for my brother for we're not allowed up there. But we have 3 kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs. And one in the middle. And Scooby up on the ground. From last night, me asked the man, why you have to bend your back? I wash plate like that. I don't understand. Scooby, you just used to the country life, though.
Jesus Christ.
But you're most countryman, because I never see this before. Why? At least in Batty Crack now show today. Last night you want to see Batty Crack last night. Last night I pay a Batty Crack, me see. You know them dirty plumber that will come here and I be a Batty Crack? I be that me see last night. But yeah, it's been raining all morning. So we're there. Like I said, welcome to the vlog. Listen, let's just see where the day take us. If it take us nowhere, because if it continue rain, me not go tonight because me just feel a little better. I just feel a little better-ish. I can't believe so from a come down here, we're there 3 weeks now. And from a come here I try to get some janga. I can't get no janga. And one will leap a man just there about the place. Everybody first catch janga. Me did our country, me get some janga long time. Janga and sprat. 2 things I've been trying to get. And promising them before I go away, I get the janga, I get the sprat, and we got a river. Alright? Yeah. It's happening. It's happening. Them could have called look more we got a river. But anyway, yeah. We cook some what you call it? What we cooked last night? We cooked some chop suey last night. Full style of chop suey, Jamaican chop suey, my love. We cooked some chop suey last night and we'll cook rice with it. But the rice finished, so we'll cook like a dumpling now to eat with it. And then we're gonna eat that and figure out what day. I'm happy my video went up and everything is good. I'm always at peace when the video done gone up. Let's stay tuned and we'll figure out what we are doing. I don't know, I get this new thing, but stay tuned from. I'm not sure if I like it. But yeah. Here's my Nishi. I love her so much. They love you so much, Nishi. Say hi. You not tell them hi. You talk to them. No. Why? She acting shy today. I don't know what's going on. Trisha's so pretty today. Try her ear, though. Try her ear, though. She feel like, say. She too nice to talk to, no? Yeah. So we have to figure out like what you want to do today. What you feel like do today? You don't know yet? You don't know where you want to do? Know where you want to go? That's in Kingston, by the way. We're not going back to country for the rest of that trip, yeah. No country. A country you don't think about? Girl, you better think about sovereign or somewhere. When last I got sovereign?
Something that's boring.
Something boring. No, not going down there. Okay. Sovereign is not sovereign. Y'all hear that? Sovereign is not sovereign. So, when they figure it out, I'll let you know. I don't know if it's going to be in this vlog. Today's just some random stuff going on. Whatever is happening is just happening in this vlog.
Yes.
You don't put just cup on fire, Scooby.
Stop for the auntie. Boy, yes.
You have to stop it. You're going to call me like a swell your belly.
Yeah, my belly tight now, belly.
And that's why your belly big,
You
so.
talk too much, your mouth. Control it. Your fire big.
Before you call me like fart. The man come from a fart to rotted. Damn! The man come from a fart, Lily. You can't believe that? Alright, Zoe, come here. Not for your time because you not pick nothing yet. So you have to tell her about your time. You pick something? You not pick nothing? Come here now.
My ear.
Yeah, you're cute
Jesus.
regardless. Freddie. So, I'm giving you and Emma 2 days, right? So you gotta pick something that you wanna do. It's 2 separate days. Whatever you wanna do, we all gotta do it that day. And Emma gotta do the same thing. So what do you pick? What's your fun day?
I want to go to the beach.
That's what you wanna do? The beach.
Ah, you have to do. Put one back.
Scooby!
No! Yes. Boy, beach.
A beach she want go that she pick.
Scooby, I want to
Go down a road and buy a pound of salt. Them jump there, salt it. You take salt water, go down the beach. School time now.
No, before school. Emma, what you pick? Yeah, watch Emma side, yeah. If I could have killed.
Scooby, so what if a school time? Nothing now go on first week, you know.
Right.
Next week, school.
Yeah.
For me.
You line it up when you come back from school.
Alright, so your day is gonna be if tomorrow, maybe we could just do the beach tomorrow. Tomorrow? No, Thursday. Thursday would be better for the beach, right? No?
Any day.
Yeah.
We just want to go. Please, guys.
Alright, Thursday. Beach you want to go. What you want to do, Lily? Emma, you can't find something you want to do?
Oh,
If you wait too long, you know, your day may get
that
cancelled.
chance may just go away.
It may just cancel, my love. My pick is river. That's my pick. That's what I want to do. I want to cook on the river some sprat and cook some soup and have me a beautiful river day. That's what me want to long river and feel cool all day. I eat some sprat and some jungle, eh? You want to go to the movies? What's out right now? You gotta know you want to go movie and know where to watch.
You want to go movies?
Right, I'm done there.
You gotta know what you want to watch though. Spider-Man out?
Yeah.
Scooby, nothing wrong with Spider-Man. Yet I like.
Movies.
Yes,
Okay. Mr. Cuties. But they want my one package come. So me I look weird at the phone. Me I use the phone the camera upload. But me say one delivery man just show up out there when I come and show me. Sexy. Boy, sexy delivery man is here. Watch him. Amazon. Yes. Lecky coming from work. At first, I see me in that uniform. You look so nice. Your hot jerky has sweat.
Package £44 over this hill.
Over the big hill. Mommy wicked to you.
Oh, yes, I didn't know.
If you didn't know, you just tell her, come pick it up for herself.
I didn't know.
No, so how was work today?
Well, exhausting.
Them stress you out.
I don't look on them and them pump.
Myself I'm morning here to put my story.
I'm in for double tonight. I can't manage that.
And that the matter was somebody call out and say, you must be an idiot.
I let him feel.
Him think you go.
As it reach 4 I clock out.
Fast and come off of the hill.
You're crazy. I can't manage that.
Every day, I can't forget to see you. The people that ask what Jaruki day.
A night?
They comment them, yeah, while you're dead, them can't see you. I tell them, so you have a 9 to 5 now.
Exactly.
You have a 9 to 5 in book and busy.
Very. Oh my days, man. Before the campus.
Oh, dark pampers come. Oh, so I'm supposed to teach you to put on dark pampers. By the way, cuties, it look like, say, babies are breed. Yes, my pup, she is pregnant.
I'm not telling that her nipple them red.
Yeah, but somebody for her to that nipple them get milk, she fat.
I'm not telling her. I told you from a seat I even know her belly still her nipple them red. But they normally shrink, you know.
No, them are hang out like
They
pregnant
hang out.
lady. Oh God,
Hey.
I'm becoming a new auntie. I'm a new auntie. What call you?
Either ordinary city.
You see dark pampers?
Pink too.
Bumbo. But she don't need pampers again because she a breed. So she
Next
won't be
cycle.
bleeding.
For the next cycle.
Miss a sign.
Oh my days.
Mr. Remember the easy when you come on to her dog, you know?
Exactly.
No,
The
sir.
pampers for the dog don't want pee. I should run go down the road.
Watch out, people gonna kick them pampers you have.
Them are gonna say.
I want
"These
go.
people have no idea what to do."
No idea if you do that money. But she buy dog pampers. Like the dog inside for bleed inside.
Buy me the pampers. Give me the pampers.
Don't get the pampers money.
Yeah. So then now that want me go buy the pampers myself. Give me now the pampers.
No, so what the one there?
A rock. I don't know what kind of rock.
Shoe stand. A shoe stand. No matter take it out. Left it in there. Cause it not bother use.
Stand weighs too much.
Yeah, it have a bill up or something. Or a closet. A shoe stand, man. I think a shoes. A shoes rack.
Rock.
It only say rack, but a shoes rack. Anyway, that's that. Go on bed
And come back.
and come back.
Alright. I'll be.
He be right there.
What's going there?
Yeah, them upstairs I pack up the stuff them from Christmas.
I'm going to go pack out that.
They have to go put on the dog pampers, Scooby.
Push that pampers.
See dog pampers there.
Let's go pick them up.
Yo! What's this sign? Cuties! You see the hours and night we just left the yard? From there we left. Jesus Christ. Raw to be never have no shoes. So from there we see. I make a TV the load so. Them mother one turn down man. Cuties from morning, me say. Well, I never said that from morning, but from evening, I say I go walk. Through the village, you don't know a night. So now I get a night walk. You find the button, Jokie?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You know how we on for the button there? When the remote now work, I say we unfeed the... Jesus. But anyway, cuties, we're supposed to be walking the village today. But the rain fall all day. And I said I just go do it in the evening. And by the time I be there and come back out, I don't want to see outside like dark. So I don't really know what kind of walking we're going to do now. But we are going road. We are going road, alright? So, yeah. Let's see where the night take us. Because it's kind of... No, leave it on. I'm so hot. Y'all want to see my feet? Let me show them my feety. Can y'all see? Y'all can't see shit.
Can't see.
Can't see nothing. God, no one see. Okay, now y'all can see. Jeans fashion over. Top fashion over. Bag. My look. And that's the look. And so, oh, sorry, lady. What the fool from behind me? Slippers. Sheen. Cute. Cute and girly and simple.
Ready.
That's it. Let's go.
Got a key.
You just use your key. What the hell? Alright, cuties, where we trying? Won't not go. Move! Like them want you turn over. Why? Jesus. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, no, it's so lighty. Lighty. Huh? No, me there put it on the night vision thing. I can't see nothing out here, so. Whew. Why make the place is so cool, but I'm sweating my ass off. Look at what umbrella for me, huh? I don't know what kind of sign, what kind of dopey they put me. It's crazy, bro. Why? Oh shit. Never care enough to walk a night like this. It's too dark, man. And me can't wait a day for carrying up on the road. I don't know if I can't wait. The daytime them too hot. Too hot. It's too hot. Sorry guys, so sorry. Everything I have my walk on the gym by them so big. I walk me longer than nobody else. Sister girl! What's up? Good night. Auntie, walk on. Birdie. Some hot like fire. What? See, by the time we don't be the place get dark. Me there wait pan.
Your hair look nice.
Thank you. Me there wait pan the man for done with the machine.
How long the girl take?
It want one lock. My breed but come tomorrow, but him done putting the pan and everything else.
Okay? How long that take?
The ear? But maybe 3 hours. You don't have to take long, you not long. Sweat and run off for the doll. Sweat! Crazy. I'm a fan them and left the fan.
Where you find the where you another walk left that?
I'm the jerky of my fan. Can that not possible?
Where you
Becky!
David?
Ja! You have my fan? Jesus Christ, I trouble tonight.
So how you feel like fan and she out of the fan?
Okay, look at that sweat. Buckley, this is not possible.
Go check the water from off our face.
This can't right. This I forgot doctor. At this point. This I forgot doctor. This can't normal.
Anyway, I'm cool like cucumber. I'm down the sweater. You lose that my sweater to blood
Alright, cuties, so I don't have no mic down here open, you can't hear me. We're going to start from down a sissy shop. So we are start down here, so we already know a birdie shop. They're right smack in the middle of Industrial Village. Let me turn on the lights a little bit. Alright guys, yeah, so let me say, this is Industrial Village. I'm going to live right up that little past there, so we already know right here, so we're just going to head up the road now, and then we're going to see from there. I give jerky camera because I'm kind of hot.
On that road.
We have on the left side we have where was the shopping name again?
Harry.
No, wait the name L&G.
L&G, yeah.
Back in the days this was L&G shop. That's how we know for know it as. Now we have sports bar and all type of good things over there. Over here, so we have another wholesale and cook shop. Over here, so we have my auntie Miserable Narrated. We have Atleen also over there, so no Atleen, everybody know Atleen. Over here, so we have my big batty sister. Right there, so. Let's careful. Take it too fast. Can you not talk? Yeah. This is called shop. Yeah, by next year we're in there. Yes, my love, Agnes. This is the hairdresser I want to see me do my hair last year. And this is the famous corner. It's upon the corner. Where all the happenings happen. What?
This business here right now.
Yeah. Cuz! What's up? No, sir. Yeah, always up on the video. Yeah.
Big up in the fire now, yeah, the one chill boss.
Yeah.
Big up, the one kill and back of that.
And that's how we stop first. That's how the first stop.
Yeah, you're the first.
You can't pass this and go up and come back. You know, come back and stop me right now. You don't want to sit down and we just start walk?
Right.
We have a cousin shop up the road from the corner. So this is going to be our first stop for the night.
Yeah, so when we come to Jamaica, we stop
Yeah.
at Chill Boss,
On the corner.
stop, groceries and more. It's too long, you have to cut it short.
Yo! Alright, Jerry can't drink Malta.
Yes.
Try to give blood for Odin tomorrow, man, for drink Malta.
Yo, Rob, you have to drink.
Right, you give blood tomorrow. And that's smoke her weed night, yeah?
No, we not.
A tattoo.
No, you can't get blood with tattoo nowadays. Them, I guess them stop that.
Yeah, we can't get. Let me give you a picture when I'm tattoo.
Yeah, me give blood for your name too, because that's that vibe. But, the only can't do no
Yeah, no.
alcohol drinking tonight.
Alcohol to me.
Tell
Hey,
me
you
your
remember
blood.
what she do? What did she do?
man.
Yeah,
Business man.
have one rag in
Chili, no. Say, when I'm cuties tell me, you know, don't walk without rag. I can't remember the rag. I can't buy rag and road that use the same type. And the face, yeah?
Oh, your face.
The face, yeah? Me want Campari
Yeah,
and cranberry.
Anything okay, no.
Yeah.
I like that you say you did that.
For more than 6 times. I like chili. So much time they said.
Last time.
Last time they said. Last time they said. Yeah, last time they said. Someone said you want to picture up on phone. What are you? People that dirty out there, they tell me dead. People that slap
You get shot.
Watching time, that's good.
And when you did them time, the country? Or yeah? You know your bed?
Me a sleep your phone. I'm out of this car, let me get to my father, kick off the door.
No matter what time or not. Yeah, come in this one, come in there.
Chilton HQ. Come here, go, Bertie. Come here, go over, Bertie. You're not going there.
No, go over there yet. No, go over there.
Don't do what?
Y'all play too much.
Where's the don't do?
I'm sure nobody else to see kids from a little cat. They can't kill them. In a response to who? Birdie can't kill them. They can't kill them. The first time I got that.
Don't. Come on, do it. You have to get trouble. Call legal man. Call legal man. Legal man. Legal! Legal! God, legal man, people don't buckle up.
Sixth grade, you wanna go back to school.
Yeah, man, legal man can't stay one place. Legal man! Come on, get rid of him. Get rid of him, little man. Get rid of him, blood clot.
No, sir. How are you, mad people?
Get rid of him, what's that, man?
Chile, your wife is?
Yeah, I'll be your mother.
I'm not getting the introduction.
You don't know my cousin Kayan? Oh, Kayan, this is Chanel. This is my cousin. That's Chanel, so that's the cousin-in-law.
I'm saying, Jamal, you even get the time, mother looks the blood clot. Hey, man, let's tell your brother. I'm saying, you even get the time, yeah. Favor mother, your blood. Favor what? Favor what?
Chile look. Chile look.
Jamal, you know, favor mother.
Yeah.
You know, Jamal, you know, I would know ugly face, yeah, man. Jamal, you know, favor. Chile, you're not no picnic when I favor you. You're not getting no jacket. All of your picnic favor you, they're not no mother. They're mother not no face. Yeah, man, I took all online picnic then. Don't do like that. Just text me and remind me. No! She favor our mother, you know. Can we look up our mother? Look up our mother. Yeah. Hey, very far. What's the paper? After she don't look like her.
So you me not catch it?
I got your vibes.
Yeah. I the angle it.
Yeah, perfect angle.
We're heading to Bertie now, guys. We're left in the Chile HQ. Alright.
This is Bertie shop. Everybody know Bertie shop. Why does it open at the ear like that?
You can see.
It shows sky.
No, show no sky. It balance the building top to the road.
Can you see? Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh God, it's raining. Cute is the wrong night. We choose the wrong night.
Wrong weekend.
Wrong night, man. Yo! But again, you guys know Bertie Bar. No, so that's the best too high. Bertie, what's up? Let's do something. No, we're over there. I'm going to open up and laugh and talking. You hear him? You hear him? Look at this hell. Well, for me alone that. I look for my body. With here.
Yeah. What's your name? Winsome? Not Winsome. Yeah. Not Winsome. Winsome, yeah. We have Jackie right there, so. The Cottage Hill Road. They have Mikey HQ, what is it? Ashley Kennedy? Huh?
Why are you doing that?
I'm vlogging.
What are you vlogging about?
May I show the community where you have to set to the vlog. We have to set to YouTube.
Ashley as usual, you know?
Can't even see her good.
Alright, cuties. We left Bertie shop and we're gonna find the next spot. Cause something left in the buckle there?
Two other choices.
What's your thought?
Yes, sir. Try everything.
Huh? Look how we left the man's spot. Jesus Christ.
Hey man, him having work guys to clean it up, man.
Alright, we'll go to the next spot. We don't know where, but we'll walk up the road. So we'll leave Bertie and we'll head up the street.
Yes.
Chichi, where you at? You walk?
We'll walk. We have to walk.
We're walking. It's raining a little bit, but it's not bad. Alright, so around this, I wish you walk go to Cottage Hill. We're not going up this right now. We just left Bertie right there, so. And then I don't remember Nibs. Remember Nibs used to fry chicken right out of the look window there? Best fried chicken in the world used to come from there. So nobody? Nibs chicken, right? Best. Nobody like her. And then we go in and we go in and we go in. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I even take the camera.
Move your ass.
This is Richie old. Yeah.
Jamaica is score. I should make this score for the place, you know. Village want a book, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The way the place built up, people probably don't even notice what's going on. I'll be a big house. Over here, so Emma Daddy live. How far is this? I don't know that one, yeah? So me tell you no. Blood cleans it down sky high. Yeah. You see? Talk truth. Yeah. And look at the little bar where they're right there, so. Right, that's how we used to chill. This is what they're not gonna know because the road, this never there, none at all. The local road there, so. This over here, sir.
Oh, no, man.
I did, me did try to do it, but I can't wake. Yeah, man. Well, it's lucky. It's okay, you can look for out here.
Still in the cashback place here, sir.
After you guys go in the school, you can't be so weird.
Good night, man.
I wonder what the hell is going on.
Yeah.
Wonder. You feel like me a choke.
I'm in a beer.
And you tell them?
Hi. Anything at all.
Bar. Everything.
Welcome to Village Bar. I'm going to touch now. Jam down. Make sure to reach up here. So, other side of hot spot. Yeah. Remember there? And this is the hot this day.
Yeah.
We say we not to be done.
Mega volts. See that? Mega volt.
1 mega volt. 1 supreme venture, yeah. On Thursday, when you do a
I like the foolishness. Yeah, man. Bun establishment, man.
Big up Sophie and our lady friend over there.
The boss lady, you know?
Yeah, man.
No, sir. Tilani Walker. Catch your name. I bet you can't handle the camera. Hot like fire.
Yeah.
So believe me.
Boy, me
We don't know you know. We need to come out at daytime.
Yeah.
Around the last place we are going now. This is the last spot.
What else?
No matter. Alright, so by the time we're done, you reach round. So we still eat here, okay?
Still have a pan, so?
That was something shall we pan. You can't.
When I go in,
The moment.
Yeah.
Vlogs, I don't know nothing. YouTube, alright.
Yeah. I know it's the rain. This is Tani lovely home. So beautiful. I'll be a nice house up here now, guys. No more flan at that village, you know. So if you plan to build a house out here, you have to come, correct? Because I'll be a mansion, my love.
Yeah.
I'll be a mansion up on the hillside. No more like a pew no, up here. Upgrade. Look, you have my umbrella? No, you lying. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. It's not me. Oh my God, the rain come. I don't know a river me here. One nice looking nice house on the little hillside, yeah? Cute them. They can't see it. They can't go see the river cause night. They can't really see. That's good. Oh my God. Let me go across. What? What you mean? You know you're saying for weird. We show it.
Yeah,
This
floor.
biggest mansion up here. Riverside.
Wiltshire Spring. You call the name, you know?
You see, that's why more people will know the name.
They know.
Me can't call the name.
Who don't know it's Wiltshire Spring?
If me can catch Janka?
Who don't know it's Wiltshire? Me? I can't ask me how many silver river.
So Grata look at tabernacle over there, sir.
Close on the Perry.
Grata look at tabernacle. They love me.
You know my YouTube channel, no? That's the close on the Perry.
Yeah. Are you more put it on? No, sir. This is the Galleon establishment. Yeah.
Alright.
This is where we at. Good night, night.
What was her name? What was her name?
Galleon establishment. Wait there.
Gilligan.
Gillian Hill Spot.
Gillian chill spot.
A chill, Ross, me
A
take a
chill
H.
spot. A chill spot.
See it there?
Yeah.
And more.
And more.
Yeah, guys. So this is our next stop. We're going to rest us a little bit. Yeah.
Enjoy the view. Yeah, man.
Oh God, I want to have that chair with.
Feel it. Let me sit down for the time.
Cause right now I can't take a wet body right now. Dry? Look at that shit on my crotches. Gillian, you found that work, Gillian? Jesus Christ, on the time.
This works?
No, this is another.
The fun of work. Gillian said the fun of work. Anyway, the fun them want them. That's true. It is easy. Come on, guys.
Green carpet.
I'm going to go on YouTube and I'm going to big and famous.
Fun is in the air. Fun shit.
Fun, come on.
Fun and man, fun nice and free.
You can't believe you can stand up in the fun.
So you have burn up. When I say burn, you burn so like you have hot flash.
Hot flash?
So you have to have fun. That she say. You have hot flash.
What we have it? Your phone every time hot. You can't care. No,
you have hot flash.
no, my phone is in my face and then so.
Not me a talk about
Hot flash.
Well, Gillian's son goes sweet though.
Who DJ?
DJ get nice, Gillian.
Get up, I'm going to see. I'm open the cars. Come here, son.
Hear this, Jack.
Yeah, man, get up, get up. In a matter where the camera is.
Oh, go on. Gillian HQ. Gillian, what you have to say? Gillian, what you have to say?
Yeah, then let me ask one. That me ask what you want to drink? I'm asking them what they want to drink.
Cute is there fine game.
You just tell your blood now. You don't know about
4-3.
Mummy say, Scooby. Mummy say every birdie walking on the vlog, she have a spliff in her hand. So if you look, me see birdie with a spliff in her hand. Say bigger never find me tonight. It's bigger never find. Nobody never call bigger.
Me call him, I tell Jerky for calling.
So we have to be on something.
Yeah.
Shit and all this. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, boy, get out with blood. I'm with me here in one place. Boy, man.
Because you smell nice though. Your beard. No, but you go barber too.
Yeah.
You look like you do something. You look clean. Yeah. Fresh out.
I'm going to trim the girls. I rush me saying so we have school so my time. You see me after that, man? Don't know about it.
Hey, we pass the rum, give him a drink in a car.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we want so we have school and keep it rough so my time. Yeah. Yes, it's never like that flavor.
What is?
Yes, man.
Hey, pass the water, they give me coffee.
I don't feel bigger.
No, I give we 1 week. Why, boy, but I give me like the flavor. Right on white.
Don't kill him yet. Don't kill him yet.
I'll be here.
If you kill him, you can't pass him away. You can't pass him away.
It's the fun day.
You're not even killing him.
We can't smoke bigger.
So where's more then?
Uka, yeah.
The one right, the
No,
front
no,
one?
me and the problem, I'm the issue. DJ no black, you alone.
Give me a couple there.
Take up this. Go back, DJ.
Cutest look is here. I'm rich. No, him can't drink. Him there for antibiotic, them shot him. Them shot you. So you know with antibiotic.
You have belly problems.
So you shot you. Speak the truth and speak it forever. Anyway.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, look, shut it up for one.
One more shut up. Shut up. Boom, pop.
Look, there's also one black bag. Give me
Oh, win, I win?
Black.
You know how long the game I play, that's why I don't play them game. You know how long the one game I play? Jesus. No, my love. Serious. No, you can't play one next one.
You gotta run for your life.
Thursday we can't go in about 1 o'clock. No, I too late. 1 o'clock not going to 9 every day. Birdie, that's for that bottom. That this for that bottom says truck can't come out.
Birdie 2 every day, 1 o'clock.
I too late. We late? No, but you know what the thing now? Night come down fast. We need to go earlier. 5 o'clock the place dark. Me just say 1.
Yeah, man. You're going from about 9 morning.
Yeah. True. So we have to do all season for me then.
So we never have to the whole day. Let them throw them when not them time at 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Cute is about to leave here. Gaga town. Yeah. A landslide that? Let's not say for two that. So they could see the courthouse, I got in town. But I want to show them where it's saying now. It's a Kingston. I want to show the people who love tell me where I come from. No Kingston, not on me. I don't like to send a Kingston not on my address. I'm showing where I live. I'm showing you. What it say? It's a Kingston, St. Andrew, people. Don't play with me. Kingston, me live. Alright, so me get that? Alright, this is the courthouse in Garden Town. Them love tell me about country me come from. Them bright. Country, I have parish court in I have to tell them. No much bad word, no bad word.
Kingston, St.
Yes,
Andrew.
Kingston.
Not real life.
No, look
And then,
you see me? That's a code.
this is new. We have the Louise Bennett statue. Everybody know Miss Louise. Yeah. Me here say them a try to change the name up here to Louise Town. That's true? Louise Bennett Square? Cover on the thing. So yes, cutie, that is it. This was lovely. I loved her. Watch her a couple times. Do our thing. Let me get a little closer so y'all could see. Yeah, that is it. I know why I say no Ganton the same way. Whole heap of shop, whole heap of bar, all these things. Just be a business place, go right up the road. And this is Ganton Square for those who know, who don't know. And right down here so we have the police station. Some live like a couple minutes away from the police station. This is the bus stop. All the national heroes right here. Him there ask if you're in the front car.
Come on, test. Come on, say me. I'm gonna check some on my phone.
Him there ask if you're in the front car for real.
No, down the road, I'm gonna check some on my phone.
Oh shit. Yes guys, we got all the national heroes right here. Now y'all know, if you didn't know, you know them. Okay.
Yeah, you see how the car full up.
The car. Two me here walk. Come here for show them. You know what? What do I say? Look on.
No, I can't tell you.
No, walk. No go on. Me and two go walk.
Everything. Yes, we are the police station.
And we have the police station over here, so guys.
I'm going to check some on my phone and come back. Yeah. Look, say time early.
Walk it, those love the water at the station running.
No, we have waterfalls. Wait. And when the police station fixed up so sexy.
Fishing, you never seen the fishing.
But that's what I say, it's fishing there.
No fishing there, fishing there. Oh boy. Water is running.
That would be
fountain.
it's an empty pond. It's pretty though. Nice.
Some fish in there, but they're not small. You can't even see them. Some fish there.
Me don't know why you're still fishing on
See
chuchu.
them there. Them there, man. But you them black. Someone, see one white one there.
Oh yeah, but
See them there? See one there? You know a little bit. Oh boy.
Christmas. Yeah, I think Mr. One video with the Christmas tree.
You ever catch a small one? A small one.
That is it, cuties.
Yeah.
Gordon Town Square.
It's low square.
That yeah, them not changed it yet, so it's still Garden Town Square, but that's what me here though.
Put out a big sign.
It's the back of the station. Right on there, so over here, so we have the community center over here, so but it's dark right now. Y'all can't see nothing. I don't know. I choose to work in the night. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. It's too hot in the daytime. I cannot. Over here, so we have the church.
Yeah,
This is the famous Pentecostal church right over there.
Yeah, the favorite anti-church.
So my auntie church. Huh? The square up on the wall?
Square on the wall.
But we can't get too much car park around here, man. Oh, I didn't even see this. They actually drew the square on the wall. I didn't know that. Oh shit! Oh my god! But never to see him. Oh! You remember that little stall? Yeah? Hi! What's up? You too!
That is barista where you can buy a June plum and all these things.
And the balloon them.
And balloon everything.
And dolly and everything. You remember the stall?
Yes!
Oh
Put it on
god!
top.
A true man, that little stall was the place to be.
Everything.
Who run it now?
A bar then starts seeing him and the wife.
Oh.
The wife, he's his wife.
Oh god, I don't remember that little stall, guys. Who used to go downtown, all school them up here, right here, so we meet every day. And buy every little thing you can think of. Oh my god. Why the bike them now? Oh, bro. Jesus Christ, they load your freak. Nothing in the lucky. So we have the wholesale over here, sir. Yes.
And Rootsman Foundation.
Right there.
It's about Rootsman. Danger. That is it. Yeah,
What's
man.
rotted?
Yeah, man. Danger.
Move up. The man can't manage the video thing. Big up yourself. But there, baby.
Sally, come on, you me a call to blood clot. Hey, you come here.
Oh Lord, come like, I'm going to have a lighter. Be a bad man in the place. One man, sir? One man, sir?
See the ugly boy out to the dog.
I know more left of us. No, I'm not and then come back and answer. You name me another 5 bills.
Nigga, come in and see.
Yeah, man, it's just a talk. Can't manage that one. The one here is a little bit too much. Let's go with it. This is the one here a little bit too much for me. We can't manage that one here bomb buckler.
I'm man in a bar.
I ain't even the man in that bar. My problem is 10,000 man. 10,000 man. A million man just have on the wheel. Let's go. Papi, you know Nash. Oh God, Scooby, you can't drink the rum. You feel stressed out there?
You want to answer you properly?
You want to answer me? I don't know to answer me. You can't answer me.
Yeah, can't.
You're too careful in there.
So what do you know about?
Do you can't win this? Alright guys, we're into Papi because the bar is a little bit too much for me. So we're going to Papi.
You didn't make it in a little while.
No, I'm saying Scooby said I'm going to go check something from my phone.
You can't stand on the road like that. Galleon! Nothing popping! So I said, now go to the popping. She got to read between the line. Guys, we reach back in a village, you know. From the start, the big house, village. Mansions. Hey, village people upgrade still, let me know. Like, we may look catch up on every resort, sir. I think them proud. A beer look a catch up. My uncle! If I go downstairs.
No, you go to man, you buy cigarette, man, if you want cigarette.
Sorry to read that.
You know, we're here in Papi, we're waiting on my sister and the rest of my family them because they gonna buy them look a zoo.
Zoo.
So we're waiting on them. So when them come back, we tune back in. I wonder something that going down there tonight?
Go night, I'm going to go night tonight.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't know if you change it. I was coming. I think of a money is one thing that's yeah, man.
I agree.
Push.
Remember your mother watched the vlog?
And my mother knows I smoke. Oh, no, mother. This is not mine.
Yeah. No, sir. What am say?
Hey, that wall that she young, she get fuck her for going fun her tonight. Cause we not ready. We're young, so you have to go bun your foot tonight.
Can't keep up.
She can't keep up, man. She 100.
Let's go, your auntie. Do trouble them.
Come here,
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Hey, don't touch me auntie, I'm moving.
Good night.
control yourself, control yourself. Ready, you want jungle justice?
What? But I like forget to know.
Oh yeah, me don't touch me auntie.
That's right.
Touch yourself, I get this quiet. You don't come out and touch her.
Twerk it, twerk it. No, my love, party. I can't manage. Jesus. But say if I move, I step me have to climb. But say, cuties, by time, y'all can't even see me. Hold on. Well, look how do we end? Alright, cuties, we'll leave this because it's time to go.
Can't do it there.
Who can call him?
Hey, but in the read player.
But now I'm playing the box and not really focus.
They call him
Alright, cuties. We're at the last part. This is the last one. I can't manage. I don't know. Not clean. So we're in our cousin bar now, not a bar. Oh, let me breathe a little bit. I want to pee. Let me go pee and come back. Let me find a bush. I'm going to find a bush a piece. Amori? Yeah, I see him New Year's night.
Something with a
Say
five.
that.
Something with a five.
Oh no.
60. Wow.
Night. But say, you couldn't wait for Richie?
Can you come?
What's up, baby girl?
I'm here.
What's up, cuz?
Hi, sugar. Mama. 53.
That's $3 in the class for a night.
Fuck.
Call 69 then.
Call me now.
What? That's fine. That's your ball,
Plus 5 back that.
That's your ball fat. Are you about this baby girl? No.
17.
Before you go back around the bingo book, 1 Malta.
Yeah. What you say? 6 book? You need to try by my next seat. You don't pay 6 book in a year.
So I can't mark so much.
Yeah.
I told you about.
You know this stuff? Nobody make a bingo pass, you know.
Yeah, 12 books, $200.
Scooby, you have to double up the book. Yeah. Scooby, Mike, when you going? Mike, when you going?
This are you on?
Yeah, go on.
Oh my god, cuties. I will turn on the light here. I think we had enough. I think we had enough, guys. We need to go to our fucking bed.
Your fried egg.
Yeah, we
Not
need.
in our bed, but fried egg before we go to bed.
We need egg, bread, cheese.
Probably this and tomatoes.
We don't have lettuce and tomato. Where you get that from,
Probably
Dorothy?
lettuce.
Where you have lettuce from here?
Lettuce in everything.
We have more lettuce? Well, fancy dancy tonight.
Fraps. I don't
No, what you call it?
Baloney.
Baloney, we have baloney. For Frankston.
One on France.
Hey, wouldn't you have hard enough? But say, may I walk and I lose the weight, I mean, and I gain it right back. No weight, not lose. None. It's all back. It's more coming back. Guys, we don't gamble, body a gamble. We don't really do the gambling.
Boring for me. I don't know about nobody else, but it's real boring.
It's not boring for me, it's just I've never done it.
It's
And I'm not interested.
very, very boring.
Oh, so far about the fire go, guys. Look at turn sideways.
You're part of it.
Yeah, idiot. Jokey. It's from yes, sir, to yes, sir. It's not funny. A forehead. Go from yes, sir, to yes, sir. Look, I'm a four finger, this is
So the forehead?
but the rest of this are go.
A forehead?
Jokey, look. Yes, sir. Marita, got your fucking eye, bro.
It's a forehead. It's
Okay, so look on mine now. Yes, sir. Base.
A 5 head.
A 6. A 6 said me have. I'm not gonna get it from Jenny's. Don't have it. Miss Draken ear come down in there, so. Birdie them ear come down here, so. But you can't get everything. I'm Becky with the good hair, baby.
Yeah.
I got the good hair with the big forehead.
Well,
Them have the bad head with the enough eyebrow and thing.
yeah.
Yeah. You got picture for me? Alright, look more. I gotta be the one. I gotta be the one you love. Cuties, when I tell y'all I'm ready, I'm just ready.
Yeah.
I think it's been a long day. And look what I'm telling you this morning, so we don't know what we are doing. Look all over the place.
That's the cause of Uno. Yeah, with that all over the
We never have no plan this morning, and we
The plan was
2 o'clock at night now.
to
At 2 o'clock it?
no, sir. Couldn't be. But just through the rain, it looked very dark.
Yeah, it's the rain.
It's 11:47.
And even 12 o'clock. I'm going to read my comment them. I don't know. Like some people are excited about the vlogging and I need to read. It keeps me going, man.
We make a fool of ourselves. But I don't like it. We make a fool of ourselves.
We don't make a fool of ourselves. We're just ourselves.
Well, that's true. Actually, they never know the camera roll. Well,
We're just us. We're just us, and we just don't care. Because we're not teeth. People who got teeth give the
that's
shit.
one bit. We have 0. to give. Fill in the blank.
That's a bingo. The people have some around. One bar say go and the next say bingo. Ready that done? Get one banana chips.